to that pipe. Okay, so it takes a left. It's not doing a straight. So it's going straight from the sink. Okay, it's definitely right there. I see the connector right there where it's connecting the two already. Okay, there's the pipe. So, I left some tape in there. Alright, so they already have the connector there, which is interesting. So, and they... There we go. Alright, here we are. We're going to make 20 cuts there. Alright, so we have, you know, that wire in the way too, so we gotta be careful with it. So we're gonna make our connection here between the two since we're transitioning. So this is the fun part. Get it in position in place. And we're gonna basically cut this way. Alright, we'll put this down for a minute because I can't hold it. Alright, so we made the two cuts, one up there, bring him on down. There's that part. And as you can also see, it's getting really clogged up in there. And that's going to be how that is. That's one reason it was starting to back up and slow, because it gets all packed in there. Not too bad on the inside yet, so that's good. So there's the PVC up there. We'll reconnect it and run some new one down. Alright, so that's that. And then alright, let me see. Wow. That's really packed up there. That's why that's clogged up so much. Look at all this stuff in here. It's bad. I don't know. We can do it temporarily, but I think that it's going to have to be snaked out for sure. That's definitely going to have to be snaked out. It's getting, this pipe is getting packed. I'll show you the rest of that in a minute. I got to get this section back out still, so let me see. Yeah, we got things in the way both ways, so I'm gonna have to, I don't think I can slide it out this way. I'm gonna have to cut it another section yet to get it out of there. Yeah, so let's just put it right. Yeah, we'll have to cut another piece out to get that out. All right, so let's have a little preview here. All right, so we got all that cut out. And that. And then we have the remainder. Let's have a look in that pipe there. So that's kind of what's inside. Kind of why that was clogging up like that. As you can see. Wow, yeah, that's a lot there. much can that come out? Oh, there's a lot of skunk in there. That's what's causing it to back up. So, well, maybe a little snake of it would help, just to kind of clear some of that out. Snake it on down after we get a pipe back together. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so there's the pipes out, the bad pipe. As you can see, they're pretty clogged up, but not entirely, but some of them are got a lot of gunk in them, as you can see. And also kind of like up here. All right, so that's what the rest of your pipe looks like, and I dug some of it out with my finger. That's why it's kind of backing up at the sink. It drains, but just slow, and it backs up because it's kind of full like that. Maybe we could snake it out a little bit to kind of get that, but you can just see where, you know, it's starting to get bad in there. But there you go. All right, here we are. So the challenge now is going to be, I put the rubber coupler on Fernco. Now the challenge is going to be to get the pipe in and then bring it over and still line up here. So this is all the part that's going to be the fun part, because getting it all in there is the hard part, and to line up. So because we got this in the way of me bringing the pipe through, this is in the way. So this is a very challenging position. So we're gonna have to do this very carefully and slide it in. There's not a lot of room to move, so this is one of the more challenging ways to have to do this. So when we do this, we have to have the exact pushover, basically. So here we go. Get that figured out now. Adjust it. All right. I'm gonna do a little recording too. All right, so far we got the new elbow in, PVC going up, comes through the hole there, couple it there at the end, and then we're gonna hit it with the connection between the galvanized steel and the PVC there. All right, so here we are. We made the connection to the galvanized steel to PVC, replaced all the leaking parts, are good to go, as you can see. And let's go upstairs. Here we are. Here we are here. All right. And that's the connection up to here. One thing to note, there's the sink there. Goes into the sink over there. One thing to note here, I've noticed, is there is some more galvanized iron going up, maybe, or something. Yep. So there's a little bit more going up to the, looks like maybe to the vent. So it's above the water line, so it probably will be okay. But there it is. So that's all complete. Just when you get your drywall guy in, just have him kind of repaint and retouch everything up, because it is kind of hard not to make a little mess when you're trying to prime and glue in these small little areas. But it's not too bad. I try to minimize the cleanup as much as possible. Not a big cut there, but you probably just want to cut a square out and redo that. It's a double, you can see it's a double thickness too. You got a 1/2 inch and a 3, looks like 5/8 there or something like that. So, all right. So we're gonna get ready to test this out. See how we did.
let's start running the water. Also, we'll see how bad the backup was on that too. Oh, that still needs to be tightened. I forgot about that. Let's turn some light on here. So it looks good. All right, there's our water going down. All right, looks good. Good connections, no leaks, leak free. Okay, let's go look downstairs. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, water's draining good. Perfect. No leaks. Looks good. Making all the right moves. Yeah, good, good, good. Not a drip nowhere. Perfect. All right. Now let's go see if that sink's backing up like it was. See if that helped it. Alright, so it definitely is draining better than it was. Still a little sluggish at times, but that's just because the pipes are not the best. But plus it's got to make it straight. It's making a lot of straight shots, so definitely takes more time. It definitely is draining pretty good. So looks good. I think we're good. Now the only thing we left was the handle. We can do that probably another day if you want, or I can do it now. Once again, let's do another quick check. Leak check one more time. Everything looks great. No leaks at all. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, great. One more time down here. All right, excellent. No leaks at all. Everything's dry. Everything's dry. Looks good. Perfect. Yep, we're good to go. No leak at all. All right, there's a quick video for you. Just show you there's no leaks or anything. Looks good. Try to do a quick video too. I'll give you the full version later, but there you go. That's all that. Okay. And then everything looks good here. There, no leaks.